Hi there, it's Daniel from Sussex Campervans. Have you heard about the new all-electric charging station that's just opened? It's the first one in the country. I think this really is the shape of things to come. I'm going to take my electric NV200, plug it in and try and see if it's really such a nice place as it says it is in the media. This is Jack, and Jack runs the site here, and Jack's going to explain to us exactly how it works.
So effectively you don't need to do anything with the screen here. It's a two-part process. So you've got your card ready, haven't you?
Absolutely.
Perfect. So we're going to take the handle, we're going to put it in the front of the vehicle. This is going to light up, and it's going to be a tap of the card once it does so. If I take the connector out here, so that's connected in the vehicle. Your payment device is lit up there, sir, so you can tap your card, and there you go, it's charging. We will be launching a membership option. It's similar to some other operators where there's a monthly fee, but then a lower rate per charge, per kilowatt hour. So yeah, that'll be launched next year as well. These machines can deliver up to 90 kilowatts. We've got separate, different bays throughout the facility, but the yellow bays on the outside of the canopy here deliver up to 90 kilowatts, and the superchargers down the middle deliver up to 350. So these are our 350 kilowatts. So they deliver more than anything any vehicle can accept at the minute. So these are very much future-proofed. We've got up to 22 kilowatts over there, and these tend to be for the older vehicles, and they're the Type 2 connector. So if you're going to be here for some time, then these would be perfectly adequate to deliver a good amount of charge.
Is it cheaper to charge slower, or is it the same price?
It's the same price, 24p per kilowatt hour across the
Correct me
board.
if I'm wrong, the slower you charge, the better for your battery.
Exactly, so a good reason to utilise these if you're going to be here for a good amount of time. So we've partnered with some really good British brands. We've partnered with WHSmith, Costa and the Post Office, and a grocer called Booths as well. They're predominantly from up north, and this is their first kind of venture into the south. So we have really good retail space downstairs, and then upstairs within the building we have a really nice lounge, super fast Wi-Fi there. We have meeting pods that can be rented out. We have a kids area with interactive screens and games. We've got some exercise bikes up there that actually generate electricity back into the building and back into the grid, which is
Have you
great.
had many takers for those yet?
We've had a few, yeah, absolutely. And I think the more it spreads and the more people that are coming down and spending time here charging, it's something to do. And
Do they get a discount if they supply their own electricity?
They should. That's something we should consider. We've got these interactive screens here as well, because what we've also launched is a vehicle leasing solution. So you can actually lease electric vehicles through us, which is very much part of our Sun to Wheel ethos. But over the next 5 years, we'll have 100 of these up and down the UK. So everyone will be within good reach. It's been one of those situations as chicken and egg. So needing the infrastructure for the take-up of electric vehicles and which comes first. So I feel like we're very much ahead of the curve here.